Our back-facing process and gaskets ensure a perfect waterproof seal on every one of our water port openings. Then, they're hand-tightened with a specially designed torque wrench. Your hot tub is then fitted with a precision-designed hydrodynamic plumbing harness. This segmented system is designed to deliver water effectively to power your FlexJet's massage inserts. The added integrity of the air and water lines are critical in building a hot tub to prevent leaking. That's why all the host connections are glued and clamped. Beachcomber builds the world's best hot tubs. Let us build one for you.